Hello fellow video creators, my name is Andy and I run a couple channels on YouTube. My most notable channel probably Channel Empire, and that's all about how to create a successful YouTube channel. In today's video I want to share with you some tools that I use that help me in my video creation process. Basically there are 5 free software tools and apps that I use every single time I create a YouTube video. So here they are and how I use them. The first tool is the Google Keyword Planner, and this is free for any Google user, and you can find it by signing into your Google AdWords account at adwords.google.com, then go up to the top and click Tools and then Keyword Planner. The Keyword Planner will show you all the Google search statistics for a certain keyword or keyword phrase, so it's a great tool to use when you're planning and researching a video idea. So let's say I want to do a video about the best iPhone apps. I can get the search volume stats by entering my video's keyword phrases and clicking Get Search Volume. This will give me any additional keyword ideas and show me the monthly search volume on Google for my video's keywords. Now, in order to have a potentially successful video that gets a lot of views, you'll want to find a keyword phrase that gets around 1,000 to 20,000 searches per month with low competition, and the higher the suggested bid, the more money you can potentially earn from the ads on your video if you choose to monetize it. So here I can see that the phrase best iPhone apps is a little bit too broad, but best iPhone apps 2014 seems just right. So I have a good chance to rank high for that keyword phrase. So once you find your perfect keyword phrase, that exact phrase will be the title and main point of your video. So for this example, my video will be titled Best iPhone Apps 2014. Now once I know what my video will be titled, I use a free tool called Evernote to plan my video outline and sync it across all my devices. First, I create a note and title it the keyword phrase from earlier so I know exactly what I'm going to name my video when it's uploaded to YouTube. And in the note area, I outline my video by creating different segments and covering all the main points that I want to talk about in my video, along with any details that I want to hit on. Once my outline is complete, it automatically syncs to the cloud, and now I can access it from anywhere using my iPhone or iPad. Now this comes in handy when I'm actually recording the video because I can look down at my phone or tablet and make sure I'm hitting all the main points in my outline like I'm doing right now. Now after I record and edit my video and it's ready for YouTube, I always create transcripts to increase my ability to rank on Google and YouTube. And instead of having to manually do the transcripts myself, I use a free app called Dragon Dictation for the iPhone that helps me do the majority of the work for me by converting voice to text. The Dragon Dictation app will record audio in 1-minute segments, so all I do is hold up my iPhone's microphone to my computer speakers and play back my video 1 minute at a time until it has transcribed my entire video. So it won't be 100% correct, but it will get about 80% of it right. I then email myself the transcript directly from the Dictation app, and then I head to my computer to fix the parts of the transcript that the app did not get right. And once I have the transcript perfect, I can upload it to YouTube and move on to the next app. Now for most of my videos, I use a free web app called PicMonkey.com to create my custom thumbnails. Now it's an easy to use image editor online, and it has some pretty cool features that allow you to create an image that's pretty eye-catching. Usually I'll take a screenshot of a specific frame of my video, then upload it to PicMonkey for editing, or I'll just design a new image that is 1280 by 720 pixels. With PicMonkey you can add cool effects, borders, text, nearly anything that you need to edit your image exactly how you want it. Now once you have the perfect image, you can save it to your computer, then go into your video settings on YouTube and upload it as the custom thumbnail. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, we're down to the final tool, and this 5th and final tool is called Buffer. This is a free web browser extension for Chrome and Firefox that you can use to share your YouTube video across all your social networks at once. So once your video is uploaded to YouTube, when you're on the YouTube video page, you can click the little buffer icon in your web browser and it will pop up a window where you can type in your post and any custom links or hashtags and then share it across multiple social networks, mainly Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. And the cool thing about Buffer is you can have custom short links in there to track the clicks on the link, and you can also share it at a specific time in the future. So those are my 5 free tools that I always use when creating a new YouTube video for any of my channels. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys around.